Hey, what's going on, guys? Move here, Kevin here, and today we're with my cousin Adrian, also known as Werewolf.
Don't look down.
He's cutting up chocolate, so yeah, today we're gonna do a cooking video, right? Cooking video. Yeah, basically. So I'm gonna switch the camera around.
So you guys might know these little things. They're like little Doritos things. And since Simon does not know how to cook, well, do you?
Sometimes,
Yeah,
not a lot.
Yeah.
Give me some.
Yeah. You.
I love these.
Okay.
Hey, ASMR. No, I'm just kidding.
That will be dope. Alright, so first, you guys gotta get your oil. Yes, I did get a bigger tab than this. This is how much you add. This much.
You got a whole bunch. That's simple. Holy damn.
Well, yeah. So they can actually. So now, put it on high.
Sorry about that.
Yeah,
he had to
it's
do
good.
something, and this fool left this thing on high.
And apparently, you supposed to watch, but no.
You didn't tell me to, so
I
it smells like crab. Crab. Yeah, totally. Amazing fish crab.
It's all over you, of course. Guys, look at this. Just
Where's the camera at?
Huh?
What's up here? Looking. I'm zooming in. I don't see nothing.
we wait for this. Oh, we wait for this bubble to start. I'm just gonna adjust.
What's your boy Ivan? Oh, he did cooking for.
Okay, you were saying you were cooking for
I
what?
did cooking for one. Oh wait! It's
Oh,
doing that
no,
shit.
look at that.
I mean crap.
Bro, it's okay.
What?
Nothing.
I want to stay family friendly.
You just not stay family friendly.
Yeah, no, it was an accident.
Replay that.
No, don't.
If he can edit it. If he can actually like edit it or replay, if he can.
I'm gonna try.
Bro, move, yeah. Scoot over.
I hear something like.
Scoot over, dog. Alright, so once you're like this, you're gonna do it.
What up?
Ah! Ah!
Do you burn yourself
I
again?
burned myself again.
Dude, I hope I got that on camera. I don't know if I did.
I don't know if you did.
I was too busy looking over here, and then I'm looking down. I have my camera, I think, pointed at you, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Are you serious? Oh, I'm like, dude, are you...
It's okay, it's okay. Here. Okay, here. Alright. When you see one like this, that's good.
And you see it, like, burned, which I'm going to show you right now, because this fudged it up. It's in the trash, so, you know.
Another one. Boom.
Another one.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's it. I burned some already.
Oh, yeah,
Oh.
I see it, yeah. Mhm.
Burn. No, God.
Burn, baby,
Oh.
burn.
Look at that. Holy.
Oh, my God, that smells bad.
Holy,
You
baby.
hurt, too. You're making a mess.
I don't get to. Here. Eat. Oh, another one, dog. Okay. Just going like this.
You better not burn me.
Yay! Oh, I don't care. Guys. Yeah. I don't even care. Okay, this match is ruined.
Again, like the other ones, which I'm going to show him.
Show him.
So before this one, he burned a few.
A few?
Yeah, a lot. So these are burned, and they are actually pretty freaking warm. I don't know why.
Because those are fresh.
You know, yeah. Crap also burnt. So
Okay.
how am I
this
gonna get
thing's-
out of the trash?
Okay. Oh, yep. I don't give. I.
There were some good ones though, fool. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Come on. Oh, another one. I don't care. Guys, this is why you always experiment.
Yeah.
You guys
experiment
ever
with-
do this? Don't follow my directions.
Dude, my aunt does it and she never burns none. Also known as my Marina.
Oh!
Shoot, man. It scared the crap out of me.
I thought I burned this. Okay. Yo, turn off the goddamn heat. I got it. Yo, guys, look. I put one in. It starts puffing. Look at that. Zooming in. Zoom in.
Puff, yeah. Mrs. Puff. Nah, just kidding. Yo, that's good. Put it in.
This is the only good one. Okay.
Boom. Cooking with werewolf. Well,
No.
not. That's chocolate.
I know. Trust me, this knife. Come. No. One knife. Oh. This knife. This thing made that. It made that.
Oh, a lot of fuckers in.
That yellow knife made.
Oh, damn. Ugh, that's nasty.
I know.
This is the exact same chocolate. Did you really just step on that thing?
Yep.
What are you doing? You're gonna burn yourself again.
I don't care. Okay, a fresh one. Yo, where's the thing? Oh.
What the?
Okay. Alright, this time I am not gonna burn these like I did.
Okay, this time.
A few minutes later. Oh!
This is not my fault, and yeah, you left.
Yeah, if you guys cook these, never follow my directions.
You should not, actually.
Yeah, don't. And don't use olive oil. Because it will ruin these.
Okay, dude, what kind of oil should I use then?
Just use normal oil.
Is there anything called normal oil?
I think so.
I don't know. I have to Google that.
Okay. Now, where's my spatula?
Cooking with Moonwolf. Done. I'm zooming in. Move!
Gun puppy.
Puffin.
The puffin.
Puffin. Mrs. Puffin.
The puffin. They're puffing that. Ooh.
Oh, damn.
You see these guys? And you never go, yay!
Okay, if you never do. Oh! I touched the special and that crap is hot.
I know, huh? Okay, you were saying? Oh, yeah, get those bad boys puffing.
Don't burn them again.
I won't.
I actually thought that.
I know, me too.
Don't touch it with your hand.
I don't care.
You should fold at your hand. Dude, the house is... Look at the house. It's like smoke.
Oh, yeah?
We can't see... Oh, damn. It's actually a lot clearer on camera.
Yeah, a lot clear.
Excuse me. You know, I touched the spatula, so I gotta wash my hands. Always stay clean, kids.
Germaphobe.
I know germaphobe. I got hot... I was gonna say hot sauce. I got hot, oil. Watch, they're gonna be burned again.
Oh, they ain't.
Don't do the yay. He's
No,
gonna,
come on.
yep. I think I'll tell you what not to do, you do it.
I'm gonna yeet.
One at a time, you're gonna yay one at a time, right?
Yep. When you guys see puppy, when you see these guys, when you see them, like this one, you gotta what's that? Flip it over, and put a little bit of pressure on it, and then. Oh, we go. All right, we're starting some. We're starting some.
Oh, you didn't even pick none of them up.
Oh. This is so. My hand is so loose. Come on, come on. There we go. That's one badge.
All right. See you guys. See you in a few minutes.
No, we're doing the full bag, Ivan.
No, that's hot.
Well, yeah. The fresh. Ivan, come here.
I'm eating.
Well, hurry. These bad boys are pumping. Come on, go. They're pumping.
Yeah, but you didn't let me enjoy my little snack. I don't think there's any. I don't think there's any oil in the middle.
Okay, how am I gonna do this?
With your hands.
Okay, stop being a smart a smart bee.
I'm not being a smart bee.
Stop being
I'm telling you what to do, fool. I'm not being a smart bee. It's literally scientifically proven to use your hands.
This is why you never cook with move.
Okay, when I say do everything with your hand, I don't mean burn your hand.
Okay, I don't
Damn it.
Alright, we're just gonna stay like this or like this. So, if you guys run out of oil, just put some more oil. Oh.
I did nothing.
Come on. Oh. Come on.
I'm ready. Hey! One of them was unready.
2 of them actually.
Like that one right there. It was unready and it's in here. Look at that.
If you guys want to run out of oil, just put some more oil. Don't put that much oil. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this one. Okay, so this one.
Don't touch it with your hand.
It's not hot.
Then why'd you say?
Because I want to.
Ah, there it is. Right there. That's the undone one. It said there was 2. I only see 1.
Oh, fresh one. Come on. There we go. Boom.
Alright, let me grab a better hold of this. There we go. My way puppies.
We're just gonna turn it up to medium high. Not that much, cause you guys remember from last time. Yeah. Don't talk about it. Don't make fun of me.
I'm not making fun of you. I'm laughing with you.
You're still making fun of me.
I'm not making fun of you. I'm laughing with you.
Oh, with me? Okay.
Yeah, not at you. Fool, with, not at.
What's the flipping difference? What's the difference?
We're laughing with like other things that we did together. Like at is like when you fall and I laugh at you. So like me and Jaden when we fell, we laughed together. Yeah, at with. I'm laughing with you, not at you.
Yeah, the time when okay, stop. Okay, these
Those puppies aren't even ready.
I feel like you don't. I think there's like a vine.
What?
Where does it?
The ones are like, I want a church girls that go to church and read a Bible. Well, I can't do it right, but like,
Come on.
that was nobody.
Well, there we go.
Just gonna yeet that back up there.
Okay. These are not puppies. Wait. The test. Let's do the test. Let's put one raw one.
That's not ready. You put fresh oil instead of hot. Look at the eye!
Yeah, okay, yeah, I got you.
We're gonna burn it like that.
Yeah, this is why. This is why you turn off the goddamn heat.
Gosh dang heat.
Alright, now.
Now we do a Mary Poppins style. No, I'm just kidding.
No, now we do a Q&A. I'll be back.
Achoo.
I saw that.
Damn. Got you on camera. Got you on camera. Ooh, there's choppy donuts.
Oh, my God.
Okay, yeah, I freaking went like that. Not a freaking. Yo, they're burning. They're burning. They're burning.
There we go.
Dude, I remember in Mexico, so we had like a big pile of like aceite, and I was an idiot. I was like 8 years old. A big pile of heat oil. I freaking spit in it, and it went all bubbly. And they were gonna reuse it, but my idiot, I was being an idiot, and I freaking spit in there, and it wasn't reusable. And yes, guys, my family does reuse oil, but like we gotta make sure nothing like bad goes in there. What are you doing?
Okay, most of these puppies are fresh.
Most of these, but not all. So after this, guys, I'm sadly in the video. No, 'cause
Sadly?
yeah, sadly.
What do you mean sadly? Sadly. What do you mean sadly? Hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Alright.
That's rough.
Alright, now where was I?
Making sure that doesn't burn.
Oh yeah, these. Oh yeah, these puppies are.
Why do I think you put too much in there?
Did I?
Yeah, you actually freaking. Oh my god, dude. Limon and chile.
We got limones.
Oh, hell yeah. Please, what kind of Valentina?
Black.
I hate the black one. I like the normal one. That's just.
Yeah, as you guys remember from my channel, you guys know
Hot Cheeto challenge.
No, I experienced, and let's just say that did not end well.
Dad didn't trust me. He freaking coughed. It's good. Dude, me and Pepin. Okay.
That's how it was my worst.
Me and Pepin, so we were in school, and freaking Pepin, it was during science class, that fool went on YouTube on our computer, our laptop, my apologies, a laptop, and fool, so we saw your new video, and that fool put a time at 4 minutes and 20 seconds, and that part was when you started coughing.
Time that.
Yeah, me and him started hella laughing, and hecka laughing in science class.
Bro.
That part was funny.
Oh yeah, a lot of people love it. Let me tell you. I almost died.
Nice.
Good thing the milk saved me.
What? Oh. Good milk?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't even remember.
Whole milk, 1% and 2%. What do you mean? Just kidding.
I forgot, okay?
Bro, 5 minutes ago, you went in the fridge. How do you forget? How do you forget?
What do you mean?
Yeah, okay.
No, when you did the video, fool, right there, I forgot that you had milk with you, because it's been a while since I've seen that video.
Yeah, delete it. Don't ask why. Comment down below. Don't ask why. And some of you guys know. Huh?
Comment down below why. Because every time he says, don't ask why, I tell him why. Me and my sister.
Everybody in his family. Every time I go to his house. Yeah,
Well, not everybody.
What do you mean not everybody?
My dad, my mom.
Besides them.
Okay, my siblings and me. There. You see how good these are? No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Where do you get all of these at?
You guys might know that the trailer actually, my bad. that the trailer actually like crushed down, and then like they were giving away these.
What trailer?
Oh no, I heard that, and then my dad bought all of these for free. For free.
All right, later, Adrian.
See?
This I wanted this. Chuck donuts here come. Ah. Okay.
That is actually
Also known as messed up.
yeah,
Not the P word.
not that. Why did I do that?
What? Tell me you burned it again.
No, this.
Oh.
5 seconds. Like.
Stop grabbing it. Then who got this one?
Oh no! No, like I grabbed it. I went like this. Oh, you went right here.
Oh.
Oh, that hurts.
I'm gonna throw it away.
Yeah, sure, because 5 seconds rule.
5 second rule. That was 10 seconds. Actually, it wasn't. What are you doing? Okay, dude, your floor is so oily now.
Yeah, you guys remember my popcorn machine? It was so oily, like my hand was so slippery. All right, bro, we're running out of oil, so.
All right, guys, so that does it for this video.
Yes,
I said
we're
after.
doing the whole bag.
No, I said after. Dude, we already did 20 minutes.
Huh?
So the rest is gonna be on his channel.
Bro, we're doing 30 minutes. How about that?
It's already been 30 minutes, fool. The clips, remember? The one where you had to go outside and I cut the, I like pause it. So yeah, that has been 30 minutes, longest video I have ever done. So yeah, like,
What do you mean longest?
Yeah, that is the longest. Is it? I don't know. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe if you haven't. What are you doing? What are you doing with your life, man? Why did I scream? So yeah, like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. There's something wrong with you right there.
What do you mean?
What do you do?
I don't care. I don't care.
Alright, go to his channel
Look at
at
these
Will
fresh
Wolf
puppies.
2026. Subscribe to this fool. Yeah, it is Will Wolf 2026.
Down in the description.
Down in the description.
Link in the description because
I'll try to put the link.
Because he actually knows how to edit, right?
Yep.
I don't do nothing. I don't do. I do not do flip.
Alright, so that does it for this video, guys. So, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. I gotta turn the camera around.